Mark, get up, man.
It's 10:40.
Oh, God.
Oh, no.
No.
Tommy, wake up. It's 10:40.
No.
Where's my kebab?
Keys.
I got the keys.
What are we going to do? We are so screwed.
I don't know. Let's just call the lecturer.
Can we do that?
Lecturer Thompson, please.
Yeah, I'll hold.
Yes?
Sir, it's Tommy Tomasino.
Yes?
We blew a tyre.
We?
I'm with Mark Riggs and Andy.
Andy Balls.
Andy Ballsworth, sir, yes.
And you blew a tyre?
Yes, sir. We blew a tyre.
And?
And the car flipped and Andy went straight through the windscreen. Bless his cotton socks, the little trooper got straight back up, even after he hit that tree.
Oh, yeah.
And Mark hit the dashboard so hard, he's got some serious whiplash. Mark, stay with me! Please stay with me, Mark! You know, it's probably just best that we sort of stay here in the crash scene until the ambulance arrives.
Thank you, Professor. Thank you.
Makeup exam, Wednesday, 9 a.m.
What? We can't just rock up and like this.
Yeah, you're absolutely right. That's why we're heading to this location. Ideal for stage 1.
Stage 1?
Yeah, it's deserted, a little windy in the afternoon. I've used it before.
Absolutely not.
Okay, we can just fail.
Where is it?
Let's go.
I lost my virginity in that car.
It's your car or your career?
Oh, man!
Ready?
You don't even know what's in that thing! Huh? That's enough, yeah? That was a little too much. Damn it, what the hell?
Stage 2.
Oh? Dude, what?
Well, I gotta make it look like we've just been in an accident.
No.
Matching the face of the car.
Yeah.
I'm absolutely right.
So right?
No,
you're thinking.
You alright? Come on. You ready?
No, wait.
Oh! Ah!
Whoa, me too. Alright, just not the face. In the arm.